In Genesis Lesson Planner, you have multiple ways to copy and paste lesson plans. One way is to copy lesson plans from one of last year's lesson books into this year's lesson books. You can copy all of the plans at once or copy individual lessons only. Let's take a look now. So from the lesson book screen, click on Copy Lessons. Select the school year to copy from. So we'll use 2015-16. Select the book you want to copy from. So I have multiple lesson books because I'm working with multiple teachers to see their lesson plans. Select the book you want to copy to now from this school year. And then on the left-hand side, you have the option to select all of the books at once or select books individually by using the individual checkboxes. Before you move forward from this screen though, note the start date for the copy. We recently learned that the date here will put the plans on the calendar, but it might not be the exact days that you want, and then it makes it difficult to move the plans around or delete the plans in their entirety. So leave the start date for the copying blank, and the plans will be copied over to your lesson book, and then you can later search for them. So let's copy a few of these plans over right now. For time's sake, I'm just going to copy 3 or 4 plans. So I'll verify lessons to copy. You'll receive a warning that the start date has not been selected for your plans. You don't need to worry about that. Just go ahead and click close. And on the left hand side, it gives you the note card with the book you're copying lessons from and the book you're copying lesson plans to. If you decide you don't want a lesson plan to copy over, just uncheck it. Go ahead and click Copy Lessons. You'll get another warning that no date was selected. You'll have to manually set it after they're copied. That's okay. The lesson plans are now copied over. Now to search for your plans and put them on the calendar, go to the calendar screen. And let's say I wanted to put one of those plans I just copied over into the literacy lesson book on this Tuesday on the calendar. Click the search button. I'm searching in the literacy lesson book. I can search by keyword if I chose, or I can just go ahead and click search lessons. And now the plans that I've copied over are now visible. So if I copied over 121 plans like Julie had in her lesson book, I would see the list of all 121 plans here. So let's say I just want to add this activity or this lesson right here. Click add. And once the screen reloads, it'll be you'll be prompted to select a unit and then go ahead and paste the lesson. You can link the plan to the original if you choose to, but you'll probably be making some revisions to the plan, as we all do. Click Paste Lesson. And now the plan is pasted onto the calendar. Now let's say the content in this lesson plan is something I'll be teaching for multiple days. Yet some of the information will change, like the instructional activities of gradual release and the formative assessment or closure. So after I've created this one plan, I can copy the plan to another day. So I select copy. And then now the paste function becomes available on any of the days in any of the other books. So I can click paste here on Wednesday, select the unit it needs to go into, and now I have the option to link this to the original plan as well. I'll leave that unchecked for now because I'm going to edit it and make some revisions. So I can go ahead and click paste. And now what this does is allows me to edit this plan separate from the prior plan. So I can work on this plan and change maybe some of the objectives and the instructional activities, yet it kept maybe the majority of the details of the first lesson plan on day one, and allows me to make some changes, but I'm not having to retype or re-enter maybe the majority of the content and resources that might be used. So I would just click the edit button, and then now I can go ahead and revise some of the instructional activities that are found in here, and I could also rename it to say day 2 to make more sense in my lesson plan sequence. So those are 2 ways to copy and paste lessons in Genesis Lesson Planner. Thanks for watching.